Go to the robot. You have to make the transition. Okay, in this way, if you look at this one, robot is in this situation. Now I want to bring my robot to home position. Press that forward key. Home position. Then make the changes on the robot. Make the movement of the in the joint. In x-axis, y-axis, make the base movement. Okay. Make that swing base. That base movement. Okay, so now one joint movement, that is base movement. Okay, that is joint number 1. Then make the movement of this lower arm. Okay, lower arm. Or make the movement of the lower arm. Lower arm movement, lower arm. Beta. Because they are learning, they are new now. Okay, they are learning. Okay, this is one joint. Okay, first, then the second, then make the movement of the upper arm. Okay, this is another joint. Okay, third joint. Then make the movement of the arm roll. Okay, this is another joint. This is now 4. Okay, then make the movement of the fifth joint, that is wristband, like this. Okay, okay. Now this is fifth joint. Now make the movement of that end effector, that is sixth joint. So everybody is able to understand this is a 6 mechanism training related to that robot and write the different program. So in fact, program is a set of instructions. Okay, lot of instructions the students are able to do these things. And after making that hands-on training, we are write some program here in particular task. So in fact, if you look into the base station, this is known as my base station of my robot. And in this base station, okay, and here and write the program is such that according to my instruction, robot will work. Okay, so first we test this one whether the robot is properly follow my instruction. If we properly follow, then in a remote mode, okay, I can test the robot. So in fact, we are with the help of make a movement of gripper close and gripper open. So in fact, so nice question. This is in fact we are allowing that air. If you look in this one, okay, and there is a compressor here. Here this is my compressor. This compressor, this is air. It is collected air from the external environment. With the help of this air, that gripper is closed and open. So the answer to your question, this is work and then the pneumatics. Okay. Okay, make gripper close and open. Okay. Yes. So this way, that is make the gripper open now. So look at this one. What I can see this pallet is not. Now gripper is open now. The pallet is easily entering here. Now gripper close. That means when we close this one, what sound is coming? That is the gripper. That is allowing the air. I want to make close that gripper. So in fact, what are the gripper you are using? This is known as an end effector here. So particularly we call this is swing arm, then lower arm, then upper arm, then arm roll, then wristband, and last one is your tool face. And to this tool face, we are using that end effector. With the help of the end effector, according to our application, we are changing the end effector. Now question comes, suppose you employ this escape robot in an that is egg industry. Now, sir, this end effector is able to catch that egg? Not. Because we need to hold the egg before doing the omelette, the egg is itself make the omelette. So in this scenario, if you change the gripper, that is the end effector, then the robot is able to work on this place. I can send something about my industrial robot. Everybody gets certain information. So thanks all. Bye for now. So in fact, this is called the test pattern. Okay. Because when performing this experiment, students are freely allowed to move this. This is known as the work cell of my robot. Okay. So this is known as test pendant. With the help of this test pendant, you write the program. Because the machine does not understand anything. As far as our word is concerned, we are particularly deals with a language. Because now I communicate with you in a language that is known as English language. When I communicate with the ASCII robot, we are particularly writing a language that is known as ALP. Assembly language program. So ALP is nothing. It is the concept of English like word. Okay, the English like word that is move Z, move C, or move S. So this English like word. So particularly as far the ASCII is concerned, that ASCII company is designing a language that is particularly called the inform. So this inform is nothing. This is an assembly language. In this assembly language, you are using that English like words. So here, if we will come to this robot, then job, come to the job, then job. Okay, so I'm looking to this. Here in this instruction, okay, this is called the instruction. All the instruction is stored about a particular address line. Okay, this is 001, 002, 003, and this is known as a address line. In this address line, this instruction is stored. Okay, according to this one.
District digit also.
Yes.
District digit 0 and 1. So this 001, 002,
yes.
this
Yes,
is
so this is the address line.
Address line.
This is the address line. Because in this program, there is a 1, 2, 3, there is a 9 different instructions. All the instructions are stored in a particular address line. So this is known as your assembly language. Here in this particular instruction, move G, VJ is known as mnemonics. The English like what? Okay, that machine does not understand anything. Did you understand? According to the
केमती काम करें ऑपरेट करवा शिखे गोटे कंडीशन दबू इंडस्ट्रियल कंडीशन मैंने गोटे कंडीशन अच्छी जहाँ भी in electronics, as per the mechatronics is concerned, there is mechanical students and the electrical student, as well as computer science student and electronics students and computer science, because it is that mixture of orders. So if you analyze the word mechatronics, the mixture of mechanical and electronics. And electronics is the younger brother of electrical. The electrical people work on the AC, whereas the electronics people work on DC. Okay, so in fact, as per this model is concerned, we have give certain information what is electronics and what is analog electronics and application of the analog electronics, and what is digital electronics, and application of digital electronics. In fact, in case of your analog electronics, we give certain what are the electronics component we are using. So, sir, you have already used that electronics component in your high school. What are the electronics component you are using?
Small.
These are the components. Then we call that classification of component. All the component is classified in how many categories? Active component. Active component. What do you mean by active component? Active electronic component. We are particularly using at the prefix electron. Okay. So what are the electronic component available in the market and in the research purpose or in the application purpose? We are categories all the electronics component two types. One is active, another is passive. So let us see what do we mean by active electronics component.
Active is multiple what we can transistor, diode.
Yes, sir, very nice. Okay, give a clap to sir. Give a small clap to sir. Very nice. Sir, can you justify me? Why? My question is why transistor and diode is active? Answer is right. Okay. So always I teach my students why and what and why. 3 W1. Why? What and how. If this three factor is clear, no need to grasp the everything. So when students are like in the student career, I am not clear. When I become the teacher, then I clear. So in fact, if you analyze, go deeply analyze that transistor and diode is an active electronic. Why? Because it possesses its own energy source. The question of why? I say simply that diode and transistor is known as active electronic component. Why? Because it possesses its own energy source. In which case, sir, it is possessing its own energy source. Idea, sir? I give the clue that it is there. So if you go the more deeper inside it, the diode is nothing that is when a p-type semiconductor is suitably added to n-type semiconductor, then the resultant formation is known as a diode. Yes. When a p-type semiconductor is added with the n-type semiconductor, then in depletion layer is formed. So what? Because we know in case of p-type semiconductor, majority charge is the whole. Whereas in n-type, the major charge carrier the electrons. Electrons are negative charge carrier particles, while the holes are positive. Because we know these opposite charge carriers attract each other. Same charge, repel. The majority charge carrier in p-type is whole. They have a tendency to move towards the electrons, which is present the majority charge carrier in n-type semiconductor. So this process is known as depletion.
This is Suraj Singh Babu.
Design.